Paxful Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're trading Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies peer-to-peer, the Paxful app promises a safe and easy marketplace. But is it really secure and user-friendly? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming Paxful only works on desktop. The app allows you to buy, sell, and trade crypto directly from your phone with a variety of payment options, including bank transfers, gift cards, and online wallets. You can also connect with other traders worldwide, giving you flexibility and choice. Another advantage is built-in security. Paxful uses escrow services to protect both buyers and sellers, minimizing the risk of fraud. The app also offers two-factor authentication and real-time trade monitoring, which helps keep funds safe. However, there are cons. Crypto trading is risky and prices fluctuate rapidly, which can lead to losses. Some users find that customer support is slow during disputes, and fees can vary depending on the payment method. New users may also need time to understand how the escrow system and peer-to-peer trading work effectively. In conclusion, the Paxful app is a convenient and secure platform for buying and selling cryptocurrency. The surprising truth is that while it offers flexibility and safety features, trading success depends on understanding the market, managing risk, and carefully choosing trading partners. If you want a mobile-friendly way to access peer-to-peer crypto trading, Paxful can be a powerful tool, but proceeds with caution and stay informed.